Okay, boys and girls, we are going to talk about our feelings, and we're going to go over some scenarios. So our first one is our friend Mike. And Mike is playing with his favorite toy, and that makes him feel happy. Mike is feeling happy. Point to happy on your pictures like this. Great job pointing to happy. Let's go on to our next one. And this is our friend Joseph. And Joseph took Maya's toy, and that makes Maya feel sad. Point to sad on your screen like this. Great job pointing to sad. Let's go to our next page. This is our friend Alyssa, and Alyssa did not take a nap today, so Alyssa is feeling tired. Point to tired on your page like this. Great job pointing to tired. And our last page is our friend Patrick. And Patrick did not earn iPad time, so Patrick is mad. Point to mad on your screen like this. Great job pointing to mad.